Here's how to loop a video in CapCut PC smoothly. Start by pressing Alt on your keyboard, then click and drag your clip to create a duplicate. Next, move your playhead to approximately 3 seconds before the end of the first clip. Then drag the second clip so it aligns with the playhead. Now go to Video, Basic, Blend. Bring the opacity down to 0% and create a keyframe. Move the playhead to just before the end of the bottom clip, then change opacity back to 100%. Now go to the beginning of your timeline. Move to about 3 seconds from the start, make a cut, then drag this section so it aligns with the end of the second clip. Select this new clip section, go back to Video, Basic, and lower opacity again to create a fade transition effect. Set a keyframe, then move near the end of the clip and bring opacity back to 100%. If your clips shift, realign them so the keyframes properly match the end of the first clip. Repeat the same alignment process for the remaining section if needed. Now select all clips, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Then press Option or Alt plus drag to duplicate it. If you repeat this process, you'll get a perfectly seamless looping video. And that's how you loop a video in CapCut PC.